Good morning all. I Dr. Tomar here today would be sharing my personal tips or practical tips related with communication skills today. Hi learners, hi listeners. Are you awake? Hope so. You're watching me. Thank you everybody. That can be known by the views that you are alert in reading ahead. We have completed two poems which is related with the unit 3. The first poem which we have completed is Invictus 1 and the second poem which we have completed is Stay Calm. The unit 3, each and every unit carries 16 marks. We have covered or completed 16 marks from a textual portion. As we move ahead, it is expected from you that you are going to move along with me. You can download the poems from internet or you can see the poems summary also from internet. If you have any query, doubt, you can give your personal comments so that I can explain in detail if you have not understood further to you. Today we would be moving with the lecture, that is practical tip lecture, which is related to the topic communication skill. In the earlier lecture I told you that English is just a language and communication skill is an art. But these techniques or skills will only help you when you continue to work or stay along with them even when you are not getting the results. I mean to say that if you are working hard for developing your communication skills, you are not going to get results very quickly. For example, when you plant a seed in the soil, you water it every day. It is not going to come out when you want it to come out. It has its own time. It will take its own time. You just have to take efforts. In the similar way, a language will take its own time. Communication or improving communication will take its own time. But just what you have to do is you have to take efforts. But my question is, do you feel communication skills are differentiator? Can communication skill bring a change in your life? Do you feel that by having good communication skills, you can express your ideas in a better way? This is the first question you should ask to yourself. And if so, if you feel so, then who can express or who cannot express? Think of a person who can express. Definitely is good in communication skill. But a person who cannot express, it is clear that his communication skills are weak. Communication skill, I personally feel, can set you apart from other people. Does it make a sense to you? You get results based on your priorities. If my priority are my friends, my life will revolve around my friends. If my priority is academic success, I'll study books. I'll be engrossed in reading books. But if my priority is health issue, I'll go to gym, I'll see health videos, I'll exercise myself every day. But if your priority is in developing communication skill, I personally say there is no force that can stop you from achieving this. But you just have to accelerate yourself. You have to immerse yourself in that. Then only you're going to develop or move ahead. You have to follow a journey of immersion. Immersion yourself completely into that material, into the thing which you want to do it. Let's take an example which you would like it. Socrates, who was a Greek thinker, one of his fellow wanted that Socrates should teach him the principle of success. Once he was taking bath in the middle of the river, and this question was asked by his disciple. He wanted to explain Socrates wanted to explain his disciple the importance of success or the principle of success, but he felt it that he should give his practical experience and teaching. He calls the young man and inside the river, and he says that I'll teach you the secret of success. The man goes inside the river. The man stands beside Socrates. Socrates was taller than the young man. Socrates puts his arm on his shoulder and plunges the head of that man into the water. That man started fighting for his dear life, and after a couple of minutes, he tries to rescue himself from water. He was gasping for breath. The young man started gasping for breath. Imagine, he wanted to come out of water. He could not resist himself into the water. He desperately wanted to come out. It was a matter of life and death for him. Well, now Socrates lifted the man. When he was lifted up, young man was gasping for breath. And he said, it was a matter of life and death for me. I would do anything to come out for that. Because if I wouldn't have tried, I would have died. Here is the secret of success, says Socrates. When you want to achieve anything so badly and desperately, you have to immerse yourself entirely into that thing, and if you are going to follow this principle, no force can stop you from achieving anything. Here is the success of communication skill also. If you want to achieve it, if you want to develop it, no force can stop you. But you just have to evaluate your priorities. Whatever you are getting in life, it is just because of your priorities. If you want to change your life, you can change yourself. But it is yourself you have to try. If you want to move on this journey of achieving something, that is achieving communication skill, which is a major part of a life, because this can change anyone. Has someone's words made you ever cry? Made you ever think? Made you ever motivated? Made you ever inspired or emotional? Yes. Words are like things, or words impact us. Words have power. People vote for a certain candidate because she or he was convincing. He or she was able to deliver a good speech. He could convince the crowd. Let's take an example of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. His words inspire us. We are eager to listen to his मन की बात. जब वो मन की बात कहना चाहते हैं, सभी टीवी चैनल के सामने आ जाते हैं और उनका भाषण सुनना चाहते हैं. वही कहना चाहते हैं कि वर्ड्स हमें इंस्पायर करते हैं. वर्ड्स के पास इतनी ताकत होती है कि हम वो वर्ड्स या जो व्यक्ति वो बोलते हैं उनकी तरफ खींचे चले जाते हैं. You watch an actor who is able to touch your emotions. So I want to say, words and communication have lot of power. उनके पास वर्ड्स के पास बहुत ताकत होती है जो सब कुछ चेंज कर सकती है. इसीलिए आपने बहुत अच्छे से कम्युनिकेट करना चाहिए या कोशिश करना चाहिए, ये ज़रूरी है. Plane crisis can happen if pilot and co-pilot don't have communication between each other. Companies can go bankrupt if higher authorities are not talking with each other in a proper way. Homes can fall apart if there is no communication. Has lot of impact. One alphabet can lead to lot of problem in a text message. एक alphabet पूरे स्टोरी या पूरे कम्युनिकेशन को इफेक्ट कर सकता. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ यंग मैन हु वाज ऑन हिज एनुअल कॉन्फ्रेंस ट्रिप टू गोवा. He really loved the resort once. He checked in. He opened the window outside. It was an amazing sight. So excited he was that he wanted to share his personal message with his wife. वो एक मैसेज अपने वाइफ के साथ शेयर करना चाहते थे. So in a very hurried manner, he a message to his wife. I wish you were here. Again, I'll repeat the messages. I wish you were here. Since he was in hurry and rush, he forgot to put a last alphabet E. वो भूल गए E here की जगह डालना. HERE here की स्पेलिंग है. उन्होंने HERE के बदले में HER लिखा सिर्फ. I wish you were her. And he faced huge problems because of this message. Explaining this to his wife, he had to take great pains to explain this to his wife because his wife was disturbed by the communication of the message which was sent by this man. Now, you may have seen that if you want to achieve anything, facial expressions also make a vast difference in our life. If nobody wants to entertain a problem, create a person. It is not about what you say. It is about what you say and how you say and when you say. Regional differences also. There are regional differences also. Now, regional difference, I'll tell you an example of regional difference. आपको पता होगा जिस रबर से हम मिटाते हैं कोई भी चीज को, वो इंडिया में उसे रबर कहते हैं और यूएस में उसे इरेजर कहते हैं. If you go there, be alert because this is a regional difference where you'll understand, you'll feel that regional differences also affect communication regardless of the language. So I would like to say that communication has the power. Communications skills set you apart from others. Don't expect spoon feeding from anyone. If you have to develop, it is you who have to take initiative. Nobody is going to spoon feed you. You have to take charge of yourself and charge yourself. No shortcuts. Don't follow shortcuts because shortcuts don't exist for a longer period of time. You have to help yourself. Neither you can lose weight. People say that you can lose weight in 5 days or you can learn a language in 5 days. Never. This is not true. You cannot master a language in 5 days. Let it be very clear to you. It takes days. It takes months. Get this point be understood by you. Just as driving any vehicle takes time, in the similar way, one should be clear that achieving competency in communication skill will also take time. It can be improved by period of time. So don't be in a hasty decision to round up yourself or to conclude yourself that if you cannot communicate within few days, you cannot learn it. You can master a language, but it needs time. Thank you, everybody.